This is a gorgeous puzzle by Ravensburger. It has 60 pieces and it's animals of India. The colors are just so rich and vibrant in this puzzle, and puzzles are just amazing for children and adults and elderly. All ages thrive from putting puzzles together. It is so fun, and Ravensburger has really high quality puzzles. The pieces, they fit together really well without any false fits. They're heavy duty, so they really stand up to being played with multiple times over and over again. So, this puzzle is one that can be a keeper and can be enjoyed for a long time with its beautiful design and gorgeous animals.